once again, if this is the first time joining us, wherever you go from, want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
Name is Willie Fidel. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
We started
They don't get you.
the volume occupied by a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature. Temperature provided that pressure is constant.
Provided the pressure is constant. And what is the answer?
Take Charles' law.
Charles' law is precise for 10 points.
The process of a measurement to its accepted value that of a particular quantity or the physical quantity is referred to as what?
If I may accept your position.
Accuracy.
Accuracy is correct for 10 points.
Hey, Drims school system, unmute yourself, please. Okay, are you guys hearing me now?
Yeah, veteran.
So, folks, we want to say you're highly welcome to this encounter. We have two schools here in studio, one here from Grand Bassa County, and the other one is from Montserrado County. So, folks, we have the school that the Drims school system from Grand Bassa County and the Patmelia academic school system from Montserrado County in studio today, and they are playing the round of 16. We are officially in the round of 16, and this is the second game. This is the second week of the round of 16, game 2. So, without much time to waste, we move on to Patmelia, the school there from Montserrado, for a 30 seconds of introduction. Patmelia, you have 30 seconds to introduce yourself.
Yeah, thank you for giving me the time to introduce myself. Firstly, I would like to recognize the presence of my proprietor, Honorable Patrick Kumar, my coach, Mr. Blama Mbala. Representing the Patmelia Academic School System, I'm student Noah Escobar. For today's match, they refer to me as El Nino. And I'll submit.
For today's match, we refer to him as El Nino and him submit. So we turn on to the school there from Grand Bassa. That's the Dream School System from Grand Bassa. Dream School System from Grand Bassa, you have at most 30 seconds to introduce yourself.
Yeah, before introducing ourselves, we want to recognize Elizabethia and my hard-working faculty background. And Charleston Roland Brown is my name. And as for them, my friend be called Charleston Roland Brown. And on my full left is Michael Tia Jr. is my name on the final.
Both school, are you guys hearing me?
Yeah.
So we want to welcome the audience to this wonderful encounter. Once again, we have these two schools in studio. We have these two schools in studio, Dream School System and the Patmelia Academic School System. So without much time to wait, we move on to the game. My name is Thomas Tabe Jr. I'm one of the moderators on this platform, and I use this time to welcome the audience to this platform. However, Dream School System from Grand Bassa County, what do you prefer using as your booster for today? Dream School System for Grand Bassa County, what do you prefer using as your booster for today?
D.
Are you guys hearing me? D. Patmelia,
D.
what do you prefer using as your booster for today?
Pat.
So we have D and we have Pat. So folks, if you are just joining us, we have two schools here again, Patmelia and Dream School System. One here from Montserrado County, and the other is from Grand Bassa County. So without much time to waste, we move on directly to the first question in the game. The question is question number one, the first question in the game, and I read for both schools. Again, the school is 0-0 to school, and we have two schools here in the game. Patmelia from Monsterrado County and Drims School System from Dream School System from Grand Bassa County. So I move. Where is Dreams? Dreams just left, folks. We apologize for that, and we give Dreams a minute there.
Yeah. Yeah, bossy.
Hello, veteran.
I want to get you now. Veteran, we're not getting you.
Veteran, we ain't getting you. The network.
Veteran, we're not getting you.
Amelia, you hear me? Hello?
Yeah. We are getting you.
Dream School System, are you hear me? Dream School System, are you hear me?
Veteran breaking the network. The network, veteran, you are breaking.
That's been on this network ever since. You have not settled this problem. It's been on this ever since we have gone more than 30 minutes now in this game. And you've been on this network issue. Are you guys hearing me now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The question is question number one, and I read for both schools. The question is question number one, and I read for both schools. The process involved in obtaining a metal from its ore is referred to as what? What is the answer? Smelting is wrong. Dream School System. I read. Dream is out again.
What's nothing forever? Because I was studying another friend.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome. Still, of course, we are facing some serious problem with the school there in Grand Bassa County, and we await them to join. So, give a few minutes there.
Nothing is correct.
So, please, as we await the school there in Grand Bassa County, we will join you in few seconds for now.
So folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, we want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
We started at volume occupied by a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature temperature provided that pressure is constant.
Provided the pressure is constant. And what is the answer?
Take Charles' law.
Charles' law is precise for 10 points.
The closeness of a measurement to its accepted value that of a particular quantity or the physical quantity is referred to as what?
If I may accept your position.
Accuracy.
Accuracy is correct for 10 points.
The first question I answered. I'll correct the first question.
Okay, if you are just joining us, want to say you are highly welcome. If this is the first time joining us, two of us, any question you have, please let us know. We have there's noise in your background there. Please call the coordinator. What's going on? We are getting feedback from the mic. So folks, we still await the school there from Grand Bassa County. Still await the school there from Grand Bassa County to join us. We still await the school there from Grand Bassa County to join us.
Fedrin?
Yeah.
Fedrin Thomas.
I'm hearing you.
Yeah, the first question you read.
Hello.
My answer.
I said you are wrong. I said you are wrong. I heard your answer, and I said you are wrong. Wait, let the question be read to the next team, and after that, if I provide the answer, if you have one, you can raise your phone.
But my counterpart have already heard the question and then they are left studio. So what would be?
That's a Meridian board. That's a Meridian board decision to make, not yours.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You're not coming in?
No.
Folks, we want to say you're highly welcome. Still with us. If you have any questions, feel free and let us know. Wherever you join from, stay with us. If you have any questions, feel free and let us know. Whenever you join from, want to say you are highly welcome. Still with us. If you have any questions, feel free and let us know. And we have two schools here in studio. One here from Grand Bassa County, and the other is from Montserrado County. We have a media academic school system from Grand Bassa County, and we expect to see the Dream School system from Grand Bassa County in studio. The Dream School system from Grand Bassa County in studio. So folks, we expect to see the Dream School system from Grand Bassa County, and still folks, we expect to see the Dream School system from Grand Bassa County in studio. So for every young thing they are joining in, meaning that they will soon be with us.
So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you're going from, want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
We started that the volume occupied by a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature provided that pressure is constant.
Provided the pressure is constant. And what is the answer?
Take Charles' law.
Charles' law is precise for 10 points.
The closeness of a measurement to its accepted value that or the particular quantity or the physical quantity is referred to as what?
If I may accept your position.
Check accuracy.
Accuracy is for 10 points.
So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you're going from, want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
Call me the Kwesiko Haja Sophia because I am the holy wisdom of the Francis Nyaman institution.
Because I built a great work of China in the 6th century BC, for today, battle coming of chemical that is meant to kill all sickness that will be the human stomach as some make.
Yes, let us be caricatures.
So folks, we have Dream back in studio. Is Dream school system started quick?
Yes.
We can proceed. Are you guys hearing me now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I will throw the first question out in the game. And I hope you guys stay. The first question I will throw it out in the game for both teams. The question is question number 1. The question is question number 1, and I read for both schools. The question is question number 1, I read for both schools. Hey, whoever talking at the back there, Dream School Station, tell them to leave the area.
Coordinator.
Okay. I read. The question is question number 1, and I read. Female spiders secrete pheromones on a stalk tree. They leave behind them for mating purposes. This stalk tree is for what? I read again. Female spiders secrete pheromones on a stalk tree. They leave behind them for mating purposes. This stalk tree is for what? Pa. What is the answer?
Cocoon.
You are wrong. Dream school system. The question.
Yes.
Female spiders secrete pheromones on a stalk tree. They leave behind them for mating purposes. How is this doctrine referred to?
D.
D. What is your answer?
Ceremony.
You're wrong. Strike line while being precise. Strike line while being precise. The question is question number 2, and I read. The question is question number 2, and I read. The measure of concentration equals to grand equivalent weight for liter of solution is referred to as what? Pa. What is your answer?
D.
Pa, what is your answer?
D.
Yes, my answer is nothing else but the mass density or the mass concentration. We're not getting it, Sergeant.
What is your answer?
The mass density or mass concentration.
The mass density or the mass concentration. You are wrong. Dream school system. Your question. The measure of concentration equals to grand equivalent weight for liter of solution is called what?
Why, my man?
Your answer?
I don't get it, please read.
I read for the last time. The measure of concentration equals to grand equivalent weight for liter of solution is called what?
Sergeant, please read.
I'm getting you. The correct precise answer is normality. Normality is the correct precise answer. The question number 3. And I read for the question is question number 3. And I read for both schools. Balance this chemical equation. NaHCO3 Ye NO2 CO3. Pay attention. I read again. If you try that, pay attention. If you try that, you cannot get my answer. Dream school system. Hello?
I don't get you, Claire. Who getting you?
Dreams, are you hearing me?
Yeah.
When you keep disturbing agreement also our dreams, pay attention. Are you there, Dreams? Hello?
Yeah, I don't get you.
Should we kill this game? Give them the last 1 minute. If Dream will not settle their network problem or whatever is going on, then we will continue this game. We can't keep waiting. 1 hour has gone in this game. We can't keep waiting. If Dream cannot settle your network problem, we continue.
So folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you're going from, we want to say you're highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie B. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
Which does say that the volume occupied by a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature of So the temperature provided that pressure is constant.
Provided the pressure is constant. And what is the answer?
Take Charles' law.
Hey, Dream, are you hearing me now?
Yeah, we're getting it clear.
You keep doing. I'm not waiting for you again. So if you go or you on your own now, I'm not waiting for you again. 1 hour has gone in this game, so I'm not waiting again. So the question is question number 3 in a read for both school. Balance this chemical equation. NaHCO3 Ye Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. I read again. NaHCO3 Ye Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O.
D.
Yeah, James, what is the answer?
Yeah. 2NaHCO3 Ye Na2CO3 CO2 plus H2O.
Come again.
2NaHCO3 Ye Na2CO2 CO3 CO3 CO2 plus H2O.
You are wrong.
Pa.
What is the answer?
My answer is 2NaHCO sulfate 3 due to Na sulfate 2 CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O.
13 points.
The
question is, you did not put plus there. Hello. Dream school system, I'm holding there. You did not put plus between your third equation. Did not put plus there. You join it, and second you missed the negative. You missed the 2, the substrate 2. You did the me at the end. You did not put a plus between the Na. Yeah, you did not put a plus. You just said 2Na2CHO3 before CHCO2 again. You did not put plus there. I proceed. The question is question. I say I got you loud and clear. Go back to the recording and hear what he said. I got it loud and clear. You did not put a plus between it. The question is question number 1, 2, 3. The question is question number 4. And I read. What is the name of the archipelago of Volcano Islands formed on either side of the equator in the Pacific Ocean? Ecuador.
D.
Yeah, my answer is the Pacific Ring of Fire.
Come again?
The Pacific Ring of Fire.
You are wrong. Your question, James. What is the name of the archipelago of Volcano Islands formed on either side of the equator in the Pacific Ocean in Ecuador, where Darwin developed his theory of evolution?
D.
What is the answer? Galapagos Island is precise for 10 points. 13 points. Okay. The question is question number 5. And I read for both schools. In the circulatory system, what vein in the heart separates the right artery from the right?
D.
Complete.
Right artery from the left artery motivator.
Take my notes fast.
All
Take my notes fast.
All the right.
Take my notes fast. In the circulatory system, what veins in the heart separate the right atrium from the right ventricle?
Fam,
Pa,
the mitral valve.
the trachos, the trachosphere valve were being precise. The trachosphere valve were being precise. And that was question number 5. And that was question number 5. The question is question number 6. And I read. Question number 6. And I read. The donut-shaped region of charged particles around the Earth.
Fam. The donut region of charged particle or bell that surround the Earth that Neanderthal Gene Van Allen is referred to as well. Or a bell or charged particles.
What is your answer?
The Van Allen radiation bell.
The Van Allen radiation bell is precise for 10 points. 10 points. The question is question number 7. The question is question number 7. And I read. The motion of fluid, usually air or water, due to a difference in temperature, is called what? Pa, what is your answer? Pa, your answer?
Yes, my answer is the bulk flow.
You are wrong. The motion of fluid, usually air or water, due to a difference in temperature, is called what? Dreams, your answer?
D.
Your answer?
Contortion.
Come again?
Contortion.
Your answer? You are wrong. Convention were being precise. Convention were being precise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The question is question number 8, first half, and I read. A book of mass, it's a solving problem. A book of mass, 4 kilograms, is at rest. If the book is, pay attention. Are you hearing me now? Hello? Are you hearing me?
Yeah.
A book of mass, 4 kilograms, is at rest. If the book is pushed down with a force of 21 Newton from a table, what would be the normal force that the table exerts on the book? I read again. A book of mass, 4 kilograms. A book of mass, 4 kilograms, is at rest. If the book is pushed down with a force of 21 Newton from a table, what would be the normal force that the book exerts on the table? We were last time.
You never breaking, please remember.
A book of mass, 4 kilograms, is at rest. If the book is pushed down with a force of 21 Newton from a table, what would be the normal force that the table exerts on the book?
Pa,
what is the answer?
The answer is 5.25 Newton.
You are wrong. James, who says, what is the answer?
We have question.
A book of mass, 4 kilograms, is at rest. If the book is pushed down with a force of 21 Newton from a table, what would be the normal force that the table exerts on the book? Your answer?
We getting last time.
You please. A book of mass, 4 kilograms, is at rest. If the book is pushed down with a force of 21 Newton from a table, what would be the normal force that the table exerts on the book? You have 10 seconds.
Yeah, brother, the answer is that 10.5 Newton.
Yeah, around 16 Newton were being precise. And that was question number 8. The question was question number 9, first half, and I read. The question was question number 9, first half, and I read. A chemical reaction in which an atom or a molecule give an electron is referred to as what?
Come again.
A chemical reaction in which an atom or a molecule gives an electron is referred to as what? What's the answer?
Reduction reaction.
Reduction reaction is precise for 10 points. 10 points. That was question number 9 in the first half. That was question number 9 in the first half. The score is 30 points to Dream School System and 5 points. Sorry, 30 points to Patmelia and 5 points to Dream School System. The question is the next question is question number 1, second half, and I read for both schools. If the tube that carries urine from the kidney to the bladder is called the ureter, then what is the name of the tube that carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body? What is the answer?
Yeah. Urethra.
Urethra is precise for 10 points. 10 points. The question is question number 2, second half. And I read. A precision instrument invented by the American physician Michelson that produced interference. Complete.
A precision instrument invented by Abraham Michelson, although to measure the interference of light, was referred to as what?
And what is the answer?
Interferometer.
Interferometer is precise for 10 points. 10 points.
Where we getting that?
Are you guys hearing me now? Hello, are you guys hearing me? Are you hearing me now?
Yeah.
Dream School System, are you hearing me?
Let's proceed. The
question is question number 3. Second half, and I read. The development of a transferred electric field in a solid material when it carries an electric current and it is placed in a magnetic field that is perpendicular to the current is referred to as what? Which law has been stated or which principle has been stated? I read again. The development of a transverse electric field in a solid material when it carries an electric current and it is placed in a magnetic field that is perpendicular to the current. Which principle has been stated?
T.
Your answer, Pa.
Yes. My answer is nothing else but the Gauss law.
Your answer, James. James, your answer.
We have a question for you.
The development of a transverse electric field. The development of a transverse electric field in a solid material when it carries an electric current and is placed in a magnetic field that is perpendicular to the current. Which principle has been stated?
T.
Your answer.
Faraday law.
The whole effect will have been precise. The whole effect will have been precise. The question is question number 4, second half. And I read. Question number 4, and I read. If homomorphism is a relationship between individuals of two species in which one species obtains food or other benefits from others without either harming or benefiting from the latter. Then how do you refer to the relationship between two species of in which one benefit others?
D.
D. Complete. D.
In which one benefit and the other is harm, or in which one benefit and the other is harm,
Yeah,
or
the
do not
answer.
benefit at all.
The answer.
Yeah, mutualism.
You are wrong. You are wrong.
Pa.
The question. If I take my breath, what is the answer? I take my breath, the answer. Parasitism is result for 10 points. 10 points. 10 points for parasitism. The score is 60 to 5. The score is 60 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. The question is question number 6, and I read. The question is question number 6, and I read for both schools. Balance the chemical equation. Balance the chemical equation. B2R6 plus HNO3 ye B parenthesis open NO3 equals to 3 plus HBr. Balance the chemical equation. B2 balance the chemical equation.
D.
D, what is the answer?
B2R6 plus HNO3 BNO3 B parenthesis open NO3 is substrate equivalent to 3 plus H. Yeah, fair trade. Yeah.
The answer.
Yeah. Family got time somewhere. It's not sorry, bro.
Turn. You boost, you supposed to know it. You boost, people know it. The question, Patmelia. Balance the chemical equation. B2Br6 plus HNO3 ye B parenthesis open NO3 equals to 3 plus HBr. You have 15 seconds. You have 10 seconds. B2Br6 plus HNO3 ye B parenthesis open NO3 equals to 3 plus HBr. You have 6 seconds. Time. The correct precise answer is B2Br6 plus 6HNO3 ye 2B plus NO3 equals to 3 plus 6HBr. The question is question number 7. And I read. It's a solving problem. If it's a solving problem. Question number 7, and I read. If two bulbs, okay, what is the current? What is the current when two bulbs have a resistor of 6 ohms each are connected in series with a voltage of 18? What is the current if two bulbs have a resistance of 6 ohms each are connected in series with a voltage of 18? What is the current if two bulbs has a resistor of 6 ohms each are connected in series with a voltage of 18? D. What is the answer?
D.
The answer.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, motivator. 1 or 3 ohms. 1.3.
1.3 is not correct.
Pa.
Your answer. Pa, what is the answer?
1.4 ampere. 1.4 ampere.
1.4 amp is not correct. Correct precise answer is 1.5. 1.5.
Pa.
Yeah, pa.
Pa.
What is your point?
Yeah, my answer 1.4 ampere is
Impact.
100% correct. Because when we are discussing resistance in series, we have to add a component resistance.
18 or 12.
Yes.
Hey, I want you there. 18 or 12.
18 or 12, that's about 1.4.
18 or 12. That's why you got
It's
not
1.4
correct.
second.
18 or 12 is 1.4. 18 or 12, just divide it. Just divide to the lowest. 18
Yeah,
or
that's
12, Just going to 18 how many times? Just going to 18 how many times? Hello?
Yes.
Just going to
Yes,
18 how many times?
3 times.
Just going to 12 how many times?
2 times.
Just going to 12 how many times?
2 times.
3 or 2 is what? 3 or 2 is what?
That proceed
3
again.
divided by 2 is what?
That proceed.
Question is question number 8. The question is question number 8, and I read. And another called technique commonly used for separating a mixture of chemical substances into individual components is referred to as what? DD. The answer.
Yeah. Electrophoresis.
Come again?
Electrophoresis.
You are wrong. Another called technique commonly used for separating a mixture of chemical substances into its individual components is called what?
Pa.
The answer.
Yeah, second. Take from me chromatography.
Chromatography is precise for 10 points. 10 points. The question is last question to climax this game. Your score is 70 and so. The last question to climax this game. The question is question number last, and I read the last question to climax this game. And I read. A theoretical gas consisting of infinitely small molecules. D. Complete my question.
Molecule and consists of infinite molecule, which is also called perfect gas, is referred to as one motivator.
What is the answer?
Ideal gas.
Ideal gas is precise for 10 points. 10 points. And folks, that's how we come to the end of this game. The score is 70 points to Drims schools. Sorry, 70 points to Patmelia and 15 points to Drims school system. Imagine means 55 points in favor of Patmelia. So folks, without much time to waste, we call this a day and we get prepared for the next game. Thank you.